Good afternoon, girls.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, Nana, welcome.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, Allah. Good afternoon. Okay. Our today topic is reading C in the first unit, that is Little Bobby. Already we will completed 2 readings, A reading, B reading. What is the A reading?
The snake
The
and
snake
the lad.
and reading B is
The duck and the kangaroo, ma'am.
Duck and the Kangaroo, and our today's topic is Little Bobby. And Little Bobby is the very interesting story about the Little Bobby, which is written by Richa Rao. Reading C, Little Bobby. It is a very interesting story about the little boy, which name is Bobby, and it is very interesting story. What happens in this story now we will see in our lesson. A little. First of all, what is meant by little? Little means small.
Small, madam.
Very good. And what,
Small, madam.
yes,
All madam.
named by Bobby. Actually, in German, baby names, the meaning of the name Bobby is famed, bright, shining. Bobby means shining or bright, very small, bright boy or shining boy. Like that, the meaning of the little Bobby is a small, shining boy. And is Little Bobby is written by Richa Rao. And who are the characters which is present in the Little Bobby? Characters means the persons or the animals who play in who play the roles in the lesson. Those are all known as the characters. The first character is our hero Bobby, and the next character is Bobby's mother, and she is preparing dinner in the kitchen. And the third character is the pet dog, and the name of the pet dog is Jessie. There are 3 characters in our lesson. One is Bobby, and another one is Bobby's mother, and the last one is the pet dog Jessie. These are the 3 characters which is present in the lesson Little Bobby. And there is a conversation between the little Bobby and the mother in the kitchen. Now the Bobby is planning to do something, planning to ask something. And what is this conversation? And what he asked, either the mother is agreed or not agreed to him. మనం ఇవన్నీ ఈ లెసన్ లో చూద్దాం. See, first of all, I want to ask one question to you. What is the best gift that you ever received on your birthday?
Happiness, ma'am.
Happiness. I want to ask that the best gift that you ever received from your mother or brother or father, friends. Birthday.
Teddy bears, madam.
Teddy bear. Very good. And any more? No one received the gifts from your family or friends on your birthday occasion? అస్సలు గిఫ్ట్సే తీసుకోలేదా?
వాచ్ తీసుకున్నాం.
రిషిత ఒక్కటేనా గిఫ్ట్ తీసుకున్న పర్సన్ ఇక్కడ? ఓకే. First of all, think if God appears suddenly means if God is present in front of you, what are the 3 gifts that you would ask for? Now, just you have to imagine if God presents in front of you and he wants to ask, మీకు 3 కోరికలు తీరుస్తాను, మీరు ఏమైనా అడగండి అంటే what would
Disturb, ma'am.
what you said?
Disturbance, madam.
Please don't waste disturbance? If there is a disturbance means please mute yourself. మీ రూమ్ లో డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అవుతుంది అని మీకు తెలుస్తుంది కాబట్టి you have to mute yourself. Okay, now tell me the answer. What are the 3 gifts you want to take from the God at present?
Blessing.
Now, don't you have any wishes? మీకు ఏం కోరికలే లేవా? Yes, suddenly. What are the 3 gifts that you would ask for? మా మ్యూట్ లో ఉండండి. If anyone wants to say the answer means want to unmute and they want to say the answer. Otherwise, you stay in mute only. మీకు ఎవరికి ఏం కోరికలే లేవా?
ఉన్నాయి మ్యామ్.
Then say. Okay. Now our Bobby has one wish. What is that wish? And if the mother accepted or not, we want to see in our lesson. Go through the page number 20. Go through the page number 20. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. That is the night time, and that time the mother is very busy while preparing the dinner, and that time the little Bobby came into the kitchen. His birthday was coming up. Love you, mute yourself. If you make noise means I remove from your class. I remove you. Okay, now his birthday was coming up, so he wants to plan to something. First of all, he thought that this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Why? Because while in the time of the birthdays, if the sons or daughters are asked for something, means mostly 99.9% parents try to give the gifts to their sons and daughters. Birthday time lo manam edaina gift kavalani adite mostly the parents ready to give us na. So that's why the Bobby is planned. This is the right time to me to ask the gift. So my mother is easily given to me, like that he thinking. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. What he wants?
Bike ma'am.
Bike. Bike,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, here Bobby wants a bike as a birthday gift. He had gotten in. Little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. Here the Bobby is not a quite good boy. Here the Bobby is a troublemaker. Troublemaker means a person who causes the trouble. ఒకరి దగ్గర నుంచి మనకి ఇబ్బంది కలగడం అన్నమాట. Here see in your class itself, some of the girls are listened classes very carefully, and some of the girls makes noise and makes disturbances to the others. So they are the troublemakers to us. ఎవరైతే డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నారో they are the troublemaker to our class. Like that, the Bobby is a very troublemaker. He is naughty and he is mischievous. He is doing mischievous things in the home as well as in the school, and he has a very bad behavior. He is quarreled in the home, and he is quarreling with the friends, and he is quarreling with classmates, and he is very disobedient. He is not at all obedient. If anybody says good things to the Bobby means he never accepted, he just rejected. And he is irregular to school, and he is irregular, he follows irregular timings. He is not obedient, and he is indisciplined. He has no discipline. He never listens the words from the teachers and the parents. and non-punctual. He not follows the timings and he is not doing homeworks. And if he gave any word to the friends means he is not keep it up. That means he is a promise breaker and he has never do his homeworks and he is not at all good in studies also. So by seeing all these characters, we decided that the Bobby is a troublemaker. So if he is troublemaker means he is, we decided that he is not deserved to taken that gift from his mother. Deserve means qualified to have something. అర్హత కలిగి ఉందా, ఇతనికి ఇటువంటి క్వాలిటీస్ అన్ని ఉన్నాయి కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? హీ హ్యాస్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ గుడ్ ఇన్ స్టడీస్ and he is not completed his homework and he is not keeping promises and he is not punctual and indisciplined, irregular fellow, disobedient, bad behavior, mischievous and naughty. So these are all this is about the character of the Bobby. And so here mother think that what Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. You are very troublemaker in home as well as in school now. So I think you are not deserved to take the birthday gift. So first of all, you think what he had gotten into trouble at school and at home now. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Yes, I am deserved. Here, he replied to his mother, yes, I am deserved to take the birthday gift from you. Bobby's mother wanted to Bobby to reflect. Reflect means thinking. Here, the Bobby's mother asked the Bobby, are you deserved to take the birthday gift? Like that, she asked, and Bobby answered that and reflects that, yes, I am deserved. Who replied this? Yes, I am deserved. Who said these lines?
Bobby.
Bobby ma'am.
Very good. Bobby
Bobby.
said that. Yes.
Bobby madam.
Very good. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over Ma, yourself. Last year and said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Here, the mother decides that, okay, first of all, you go to your room and think yourself. Either you are deserved or not. First of all, you have to think throughout the year. ఈ సంవత్సరం నువ్వు చేసిన పనులన్నీ you have to remember. Then you decided you are deserved to take the gift or not, and then you write the letter to God. Year anta నువ్వు ఎలా ఉన్నావు అన్న విషయము you have to write the letter to God. Then you decided that you deserved or not. Like that, here Bobby's mother said to the Bobby, little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Stumped means walked in a noisy way, in a upset mood. మీరు కూడా ఏమైనా అడిగినప్పుడు మీ పేరెంట్స్ చేయకపోతే మీకు కోపం వస్తుందో అప్పుడు మీరు ఎలా నడుస్తారు? ధన్ ధన్ అని నడుస్తారు. చేతిలో ఏమైనా ఉంటే కింద పడేస్తారు. లైక్ దట్ హియర్ ఆల్రెడీ ది బాబీ ఈజ్ ఎ వెరీ రూడ్ బాయ్. సో he stumped up the steps to the room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Here, one of the character of the little Bobby is the pet dog. What is the name of the pet dog?
Jessie, ma'am.
Jessie, yes.
Jessie, ma'am.
Bobby went up the steps along with the Jessie. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to the God. Okay, then he decided to write a letter to the God. Why? Because he wants a bike. తనకి బైక్ కావాలి కాబట్టి వాళ్ళ అమ్మ చెప్పిన విషయం తనకి నచ్చినా ఇది నచ్చకపోయినా he wants to do. So he wants to start to write the letter. Jessie sat beside him. Here, see, Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. And here is the letter, first letter. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Your friend, Bobby. Here, this is the first letter which is written by the Bobby. And what is the matter in this letter means, Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year. Is it right? He is a very good boy along these
No,
years?
ma'am.
No. But he wrote like this, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. That too, he has one color choice also. Not only bike, the bike should be in the color of red. Yours friend, Bobby. Ila letter రాశాడనమాట God కి. Then he knows very well. తనకే తెలుసు అనమాట. It's not right. Bobby knew true. Wasn't it true means not a very good boy. He is very troublemaker. That's why before now
Some disturbance, ma'am.
ma actually Bobby's know himself that he is a troublemaker. So the letter was a fake. He knows himself. That's why he torn up the letter. Tore up means chimpedam anamata. He tore up the letter and again he wants to write another letter. This is the second letter. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy. Here see, a very good boy turns up into a good boy. ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ లో ఏం రాసుకున్నాడు ఏ వెరీ గుడ్ బాయ్ నౌ ఏ వెరీ గుడ్ బాయ్ టర్న్స్ ఇంటూ గుడ్ బాయ్ వెరీ తీసేసాడు ఎందుకు హీ నోస్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్ తనకి తెలుసు తను వెరీ గుడ్ బాయ్ కాదు అని ఏ గుడ్ బాయ్ దిస్ ఇయర్ అండ్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ ఏ రెడ్ బైక్ ఫర్ మై బర్త్డే థ్యాంక్ యూ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్ బాబీ దిస్ ఇస్ ది సెకండ్ లెటర్ అగైన్ హీ thinking about the letter. Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. Not only the first letter, the second letter is also not true. Why? Because he is a troublemaker. He is not at all a good boy. So he tore up the letter and started again. ఈ లెటర్ ని కూడా చింపేశాడు. He tore up the letter and again he started to write the third letter. And this is the third letter. I have, dear God, I have been an okay boy. Now see, in the first letter he writes as a very good boy. And in the second letter he writes as a good boy. Now,
Good boy.
now he is became an okay boy.
Okay, boy.
Yes, I still would really like a bike for my birthday, Bobby. Bike for my birthday, Bobby. Here, yes, I am okay boy in this letter, in this year, but still, I would really like a bike for my birthday. Like that, he wrote the third letter. And again, he know he could not send this letter to God either. So, Bobby wrote the fourth letter. తను ఓకే బాయ్ కూడా కాదని తెలుసు అనమాట ఇఫ్ హీ రోడ్ ది ఫాల్స్ థింగ్స్ మీన్స్ గాడ్ నోస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నా సో అగైన్ హీ టోర్ అప్ ది లెటర్ and again he wrote the letter. This is the fourth letter. In the first letter he wrote as a very good boy, and in the second letter he wrote as a good boy, and in the third letter he wrote as a an
Okay, boy.
and this is the fourth letter that God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. Now this is the reality. He is not a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday, please. Thank you, Bobby. Here there is a recognition letter to the God. Enti naku telusu, I am not at all a good boy. I am very sorry. But if you send me a bike means really నేను మీరు బైక్ పంపిస్తే ఐ విల్ బీ ఏ గుడ్ బాయ్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఇయర్ నువ్వు నాకు బైక్ పంపిస్తే అట్లీస్ట్ నేను ఇయర్ అయినా గుడ్ బాయ్ లాగా ఉండడానికి నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను ఉంటాను ప్లీజ్ పంపించు అని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాడు అనమాట. దెన్ Bobby know even if it was this letter was not going to get a bike. ఎస్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పింది మొత్తం ట్రూ అయినా కూడా ఈ లెటర్ తో ఏంటి తనకి బైక్ రాదు అని తనకి అర్థమైపోయింది. నౌ బాబీ వాజ్ వెరీ అప్సెట్. He went downstairs and he told his mom that he wanted to go to church. Now Bobby understands very well that the bike was not comes to me. Then he wants to go to the church and he takes the permission from his mother and then he go to the church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked as Bobby looked very sad. By looking Bobby, his mother thinking that okay, my plan has worked. తను డల్ ఉన్నాడంటే ఇతను మొత్తం ఆలోచించింటాడు ఇయర్ మొత్తం ఎలా. సో he understood తను ఇంకా మారుతాడేమో అని just the mother expects. Then just be home in time for dinner. Bobby's mother told him, okay, you go to the church, but you return for the dinner. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Here the Bobby now he is in the church and he went to the altar. Then he looked around to see if anyone was there. Now he is watching throughout the church. ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారేమో అని just he looked around. Then Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the mother of God. Mary is the mother of Jesus. He just bent down and picked the Mary statue. Kanipisunda like you seen in the slide, here is one statue, that is the statue of Mary. It is picked up and it is picked up by the Bobby. He slipped the statue under his shirt. He slipped the statue. దాచుకోవడం అనమాట, షర్ట్ లోపల దాచుకున్నాడు అనమాట. He slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out the church, down the street, into the house and up to his room. After taking this statue, just he slipped into the shirt and he ran from the church and he running to the room, running to his room. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God. Already he wrote 4 letters and he decided that it is not the good letter and it is not at all possible to take the gift from the God. Now he has a new plan. He went to the church and he bring the statue of the Mary and Mary's statue. Then he again started write the letter. What is that letter? See, God, I have kidnapped your mother. If you want to see your mother again, send me the bike, Bobby. Here, see, in the first letter, he wrote very good boy. And in the second letter, good boy. Third letter, okay boy. And fourth letter, I have not a good boy. At last, he became a కిడ్నాపర్. లాస్ట్ పాపం ఏమైపోయాడు, కిడ్నాపర్ లాగా మారిపోయాడు. ఎవరిని కిడ్నాప్ చేశాడు? He kidnapped Jesus mother
Mary.
And yes,
Mother Mary, madam.
And he blackmailed the God. If you want your mother means just you send me the bike. Here at last the Bobby became a kidnapper. Like that it is not at all a good way to think. వాళ్ళమ్మ అతను కిడ్నాపర్ అవ్వాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాడు. ఓ ఏంటి తన ఇయర్ మొత్తం ఎలా ఉన్నాడు అన్న విషయం తను ఆలోచిస్తే అట్లీస్ట్ హీ బికేమ్స్ ఏ గుడ్ బాయ్ ఫర్ ది నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అని ఆలోచించింది. బట్ హియర్ he is really a troublemaker. He is really an innocent fellow. So his ideas and thoughts are all in the wrong way. So he became at last the kidnapper. This is the మీరు కూడా బాబీ లాగా ఉంటారా లేకపోతే వేరే మంచిగా ఉండాలి అనుకుంటున్నారా?
మంచిగా ఉండాలనుకుంటున్నాం మేడం.
Yes. If we
మంచిగా ఉండాలనుకుంటున్నాను మేడం.
want to ask anything, means we want to, there is a good way to ask. మనం ఏదైనా గిఫ్ట్ కావాలి అనుకుంటే మన పేరెంట్స్ ని అడగాలి, రిక్వెస్ట్ చేయాలి, లేదంటే వాళ్ళు మనకి ఏదైనా ఇచ్చినటువంటి గోల్స్ ని రీచ్ చేయాలి. ఏదైనా గిఫ్ట్ అడిగినప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తారు, ఈసారి నువ్వు 10 పాయింట్స్ తెచ్చుకో, అది గివ్ ద గిఫ్ట్, లైక్ దట్ దే గివ్. మనం అప్పుడు 10 పాయింట్స్ తెచ్చుకోకపోయినా అట్లీస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రై టిల్ దట్ పాయింట్. మనం హార్డ్ వర్క్ చెయ్యాలి ఆ 10 పాయింట్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి. 20కి 20 మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి అన్నప్పుడు 20 మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి మీరు కావాల్సినంత కష్టం దానికి పెట్టాలి, ఆ హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు 20 మార్క్స్ రాకపోయినా 15 మార్క్సే వచ్చినా కూడా నో ప్రాబ్లం. మీ హార్డ్ వర్క్ చూసి మీరు అడిగినటువంటి గిఫ్ట్ మీ పేరెంట్స్ మీకు ఇస్తారు. అంతేగాని మనము రాంగ్ వేస్ చూస్ చేసుకోకూడదు. హియర్ లిటిల్ బాబీ వాళ్ళ అమ్మ ఏం చెప్పింది, వాళ్ళ అమ్మ చెప్పినటువంటి దాని గురించి ఆలోచించకుండా లిటిల్ బాబీ ఏం చేశాడు, టోటల్ గా రాంగ్ వేలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు అనమాట. టోటల్ గా రాంగ్ వేలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి కిడ్నాపర్ లాగా మారాడు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ది రాంగ్ వే. కనీసం ఆ లెటర్ లో నేను ఇలా ఉండను, నేను నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఇలా ఉంటాను అని చెప్పాడు చూడండి, దట్ ఈస్ ది గుడ్ వే. వాళ్ళ అమ్మ కోరుకునింది అదే. బట్ అగైన్ ది బాబీ, నేను ఇది కాదు కదా కరెక్ట్, రాసిన నాకు బైక్ రాదు అని ఏమయ్యాడు, కిడ్నాపర్ లాగా అయ్యాడు అనమాట. సో టోటల్లీ రాంగ్ పర్సెప్షన్. Here is the synonym last of the lesson. Little Bobby, troublemaker. Troublemaker is a noun, a person who often causes troubles. Example, Gauri has always been a troublemaker in her class. Troublemaker means making trouble. ఒకరికి డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చేస్తూ ఉండడం, ఒకరిని బాధ పెట్టేలాగా చేయడం, ఇవన్నీ ట్రబుల్స్ అన్నమాట. Deserve, qualified to have something. Cheaters deserve the punishment and toppers deserve the prizes. ఏంటి హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసే ప్రైజెస్ అనేది మనం డిజర్వ్ చేసినట్టు, చీట్ చేస్తే పనిష్మెంట్ ఖచ్చితంగా వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సింది. చీటర్స్ డిజర్వ్ ది పనిష్మెంట్. దెన్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్. రిఫ్లెక్ట్ మీన్స్ థింక్. పవన్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ ఆన్ హిస్ యాటిట్యూడ్ after a heated discussion with Kalyan. After the discussion with Kalyan, just he thinking of his attitude, either it is the correct or not. నేను ఎలా బిహేవ్ చేశాను అనేది కరెక్ట్ రాంగ్ అనేసి మనకి మనం ఎగ్జామిన్ చేసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ది దట్ మీన్స్ థింక్. నెక్స్ట్ allow him to stay in a mute mode.
Ma'am, disturbance, ma'am.
Yes, that's why I said allow you stay in mute mode. Last one, stumped. Stumped means మ్యూట్ లో పెడుతున్నాను కదా, మీరు ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ అన్మ్యూట్. And stumped. Stumped means walked in a noisy way in an upset mood. Example, Rahul stumped up the platform after missing the train. The train missing means he automatically upset. So Rahul stumped up the platform after missing the train. And see, here is for you. The boy asked his mother for a bike. True or false?
True, ma'am. True, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
Yes. Bobby,
True, ma'am.
okay.
True, ma'am.
Bobby is planning. It is the birthday, so it is the right time to ask the bike. So he went to the kitchen and he asked bike.
Her mother.
It is the true statement. And see the next. Mother told the boy to think of his behavior that year. True or false?
True, ma'am.
Very good.
True, ma'am.
Yes, after
True, ma'am.
why mother told them. After all, why After asking the bike, mother said that first of all you have to think of your behavior totally. Then you have to write letter to the God. Okay, this is the true statement. And the third statement is the boy wrote only one letter to God.
False, ma'am.
False.
False, ma'am.
Why? Because here
False.
Bobby wrote
False, ma'am.
total 5 letters.
False, ma'am.
First letter
Yes, ma'am.
wrote that I am very good boy, and in the second letter he is a good boy, and in the third letter okay boy, fourth letter I am not a good boy, and fifth letter he became a kidnapper. So this statement is
Kidnapper, ma'am.
totally wrong. He wrote 5 letters, so
5 letters.
false statement. And see the fourth one, God
God have a bike.
bike to the boy. Either God
False, ma'am.
False, ma'am.
False, ma'am.
False, ma'am.
False,
ma'am.
actually behavior is totally wrong. He becomes an kidnapper, so no one is accepted to give any gifts to the Bobby. వాళ్ళ అమ్మకి అతను కిడ్నాప్ చేసిన సంగతి తెలిస్తే ఇంకా వాళ్ళ అమ్మ గిఫ్ట్ ఇస్తుందా తనకి? No, actually mother
No,
wants
ma'am.
to change the behavior of the Bobby, but the Bobby never changed. So God doesn't give any bike to the boy. The boy was assured that God will accept his fourth letter. True or false?
False, ma'am.
False,
I
ma'am.
False, ma'am.
sure that God will accept.
False, ma'am.
False. Yes. He thought that what God not accepted his letter. That's why he wants to go to the church and he kidnapped the statue of the Mary and he wrote the fifth letter. ఒకవేళ తను గాడ్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తాడు అనుకుంటే ఆ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ తను చెయ్యడు కదా, వెళ్ళి కిడ్నాప్ చేసి ఇంకొక లెటర్ రాయడు. సో హియర్ ది స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్. ది బాయ్ వాజ్ నాట్ ష్యూర్ దట్ గాడ్ విల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ ది ఫోర్త్ లెటర్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది false statement. And see, these are all the questions for you. You have to tell the answers in the class, and again I will send these questions to your WhatsApp group. You have to write the answers and send it to me. Okay, see the first question. నేను ఇది మళ్ళీ మీకు పంపిస్తాను. You have to read these questions and answer these questions and send it in the WhatsApp group. First question, what did the little boy ask his mother for? What did the mother reply? What did the little boy ask his mother?
Bike, madam.
Yes.
The little boy asked bike, madam.
Bike.
And what did his mother say?
Want a bike, ma'am.
Mother said,
First, change your behavior.
you want to write the letter to the
What did the little boy?
Okay. Next question. What did his mother think when the boy said that he wanted to go to the church?
And disturbance, ma'am.
Okay. What did his mother think when the boy said that he wanted to go to the church?
He going at the right way, ma'am.
Very good. While seeing the face of the Bobby, his face was very sad. So his mother thinks that my son will be changed. So she either she thought is right or wrong. Was she right? Really?
No, ma'am.
No.
Right.
ఎవరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు? Who is this iPhone? Who raised the hand, ma? ఎవరు iPhone ఎవరు రైజ్ చేశారు హ్యాండ్ ని? Do you want to tell anything? Okay, now see the third question. What made the little boy write letters to God? What made the little boy write letters to God? Okay, so you have to write these questions answers in the paper and send it to me. See the fourth question. How many letters did the boy write to the God? Why did he write the money? How many letters did the boy write to God? Why did he write that many? And the
5
last,
letters, madam.
yes,
5 letters.
yes.
boy write letters,
5
ma'am.
letters, ma'am.
The boy write 5 letters, ma'am.
On to bike, madam.
Okay. Next, why did the boy kidnap God's mother? Do you agree with what the little boy did? Thought that if
I'm not,
happened with
madam.
God's mother means God will give him a bike, but it is not the right way. If you agree means you have to write why you agree. If you didn't agree means you have to write reason also.